Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, in today's video I am going to be showing you a very short video on how I organize my under sink or kitchen cabinets. So this is actually just under the sink, how I get it organized. If I want to get stuff out of the sink, under the sink, washing up liquids and stuff like that, it's very difficult, guys. So I just found out a way to get this organized, and I feel that this will be helpful. Recently I have been doing lots of reorganization in my kitchen, and this is the part of what I have done that has given me lots of joy. It just makes life much more easier for me, because I've been looking for a way, a time when I'll get this really organized, and I thought I should share this with you guys. You might benefit from this video one way or the other. I got some of these things from the Poundland. You can get most of this item in a pound shop, so it's not something that's going to stress you that much. I didn't want to talk about the video that I did, the last video that I did about, painting my kitchen towels. So I'm so sorry, that video has to be deleted. I don't know why. YouTube messaged me and told me to delete it. I don't understand why, and I cannot understand why. I just had to delete it. I don't know. I just had to let it go. Sorry about that. This is just to let you know that it is not my fault. I just had to do what I need to do. Well, enjoy this video, and I hope you find this video helpful. If you're watching me for the first time, you're welcome to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for tuning in once again. If you think this video has helped you, share to friends and family. Continue to support me as I go. Thank you so much, and keep watching, guys. So guys, this is what my kitchen cabinet was looking like before I got it organized. Now I'm going to be showing you the great transformation. Keep watching, guys. The first thing I'm going to be doing, I'm going to take everything out, and secondly, I'm going to get it really nice and clean. I'm going to spray it down and give it a good clean. So guys, I bought this kitchen gripper roll from Poundland. I'm just going to spread it at the bottom of the cabinet, and I'm using one of my old buckets to store some of the washing up liquids and spray, and I'm just going to assemble them, and then I'll just fit it in. And I chose a container like this to store my washing powder, and I'll just fit that in. And I also bought this basket from £1 shop, and I'm going to be putting my sponges in, my brushes, and yeah. And this is another basket I bought from Poundland. Here I'm going to be storing my towels in it, and it just fits in perfectly, and I love how it turned out. And guys, I bought another container like this, really small container, and this is where I'm going to be storing my gloves. And lastly, I bought this over-door hanging basket, and it just makes life much more easier. And here I'm going to be storing my washing up liquid, my brush, and my sponges. So this is all about this video. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and this is what my cabinet is looking like for now. So I hope you find this video helpful, and I hope I've been able to help someone to organize their under sink kitchen cabinet. So share this video to friends and family, like, subscribe, and thanks for watching. Bye.
Goodbye, goodbye, good friends, goodbye.